Okay, so now we're starting with the next one. I think the first part is okay, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we are starting with the next one that he says maximum profit and minimum profit and what have you. Complete the following table, tax 9. What is the maximum profit and then what is the minimum profit? So I'm starting with the call option. So I'm starting with the call option. I'm starting with the call option. And then in the call option, what is the profit function for the call option? This one is something you should have it offered. So profit option for taking the long position. So long position is the same as what? Maximum profit function is equals to maximum of ST minus K, comma 0 plus the premium. Is okay. Oh, sorry, minus the premium when you take long position. Minus the premium is okay. Now let's look at what is the maximum loss that somebody can make, and then what the maximum profit that somebody can make. So let's say if ST is above K, you exercise it, right? Is okay?
Yeah.
So that means the price of stock can rise up to infinity, right?
Mm-hmm.
It can rise up to infinity. So that means once the price goes up, and let's say the strike is now equals, let's say strike price K is equals to, let's say 40, right? And the stock price is equals to 60. You make profit of what? 20, right? Now if the profit goes to 100, you make profit of what? 60, right? So as the stock price keep increasing, your profit also what? Increases, right? So you can make profit up to infinity. Your stock price can rise up to 1 million. So 1 million minus 40 becomes your profit. It can rise up to infinity, becomes your profit. It's okay.
Yeah.
And then the maximum loss. Maximum loss too. Let's look at it like this. So the maximum loss that somebody can make is what? Your premium that you pay. Because if the stock price falls below the strike price, you fail to what? Exercise it, right?
Yeah.
And if you don't exercise it, you only pay for a premium of P. So that's the maximum loss that you can make. It's okay.
Yeah.
For somebody with long position. Now let's look at somebody with
short position.
Let's look at somebody with short position. So if you have short position, I'll call it SP. So it's going to what? Profit is equals to what? Minus maximum of what? ST minus K, comma 0 plus P. Or we use as minimum of K minus ST 0 plus P is okay. So these are the maximum profit. So the maximum profit that the person can make is what? Is P. Hold on, because let's say if let's look at the situation whereby this one is exercised, right? If the maximum profit that if you remember, we said the profit that the person makes, the long position makes become the reverse of what, and the loss that the other person makes, right? Do you remember? Hello, can you guys hear me?
Yeah, man.
See, no, I'm not going to use. I'm not going to use any scenario. Okay, look at something. We said if somebody takes long position, the profit that the person makes becomes the loss of the other position, right? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Great. So if somebody
Of
has
course,
taken a long,
yeah.
so if somebody has taken a long position and that person can make a maximum profit of infinity, then that means the person with short position can also make what? A maximum loss of infinity. Is it okay?
Yes, it's okay.
Yeah, it's going to be minus. It's going to be loss. So sorry, maximum loss can be infinity. Maximum loss can be infinity. And you can see it from here. Let's say the stock price. Now, if stock price, let's say strike price is equals to 40, and stock price is equals to, let's say, S equals to 60, it becomes 40 minus 60, which means it's minus 20, right? 40 minus 60 is minus 20. So you make a loss of minus 20.
Yeah.
Now, if the stock price is rising up to infinity, that means your loss will be up to infinity. Maximum loss will be infinity. Is okay?
Yeah.
And then the maximum profit now becomes
Brilliant.
it becomes what? P.
Yeah.
Because if you say the maximum loss that a person can